Week 2 of Career Path. We're going to click on week 2 from our website. You should have gotten to the slides, gotten your copy of the slides by clicking on the AKCIS Career Research Slides. An example of the first couple of slides that we worked on was the work value slides. Here are some previous examples from some students, so you can kind of read through these and see how philosophical I want you to get. Career cluster slides, same thing. You need to get philosophical. If you click on the edge right here, you can move these pointers around so that you are able to talk about the particular site or cluster that you want to review. So here is the cluster and work values examples. All right, so for our purposes today, here is a work values that's completed, career cluster that's completed, and now we're going to study the individual cluster itself. So we want to get to the Access website, and in order to do that, you will click on this link right here. So anytime you see this icon, you can get to the Access website. All right, so from here, we want to go ahead and bring up our cluster. So I'm going to choose Sort and Assessment to get back to our results. And right here it says Career Cluster. So I'm going to click on this one and continue. And then I'm just going to pick one, so Health Science. Okay, so from here, as we are moving on into the cluster, you can see these questions. What would I do in this cluster? What skills do I need? So I don't want you to cut and paste, but I want you to read through here, get an idea of what people do in this cluster, and then I want you to write your own things that you are interested in and what you can do in this cluster. So what do I do in this cluster? What skills do I need? What should I study in college? Okay, so all of this, all of these questions here are the exact same questions that are to the left on the actual cluster itself. So these questions are for career cluster number 1 and for career cluster number 2. Now, as you are choosing this, you can choose your top scoring cluster or even your favorite cluster. So this student wants to be a zoologist, but notice how health sciences scored low, but the science, technology, and engineering and math scored high. And so there are areas where you will score low, but in certain areas you'll score high. And it doesn't mean that you're not going to be the best zoologist around, okay? So I'm not going to stop you from researching a cluster that really interests you. So if your uncle told you to go into law school because you're going to be a good lawyer because you argue, then by all means, if you're interested in it, go ahead and choose it and study it. All right, for the next slide, slide number 4. Let's see here. Nope. Slide number 5. What you're going to do is choose a particular job. Okay. So once again, zoologist, and you go to the Access website, and you look for how much do occupations in this cluster pay. So looking at this, you're going to see the Alaska medium average in cents, and you can see what they get paid. This is the gross pay. Now, if you want to get real specific, you can do that. by getting real specific by clicking on the actual job itself. So if I click on, let's see here, a dermatologist. Okay, so I click on dermatologist, and you can see how it's not the health sciences anymore, but now it's dermatology. So I go ahead and find out how much would I earn. So I click on that. Now this is a fun chart. What I like to do is change it to the number version because it's easier to read. So I take 126,000 as my gross. And if I want to try a different state, I can do that as well. So let's say California, and let's see, Hawaii. Go ahead and click display the states, and you can see that the California wage came in here as well as the United States. Now, if your version doesn't have a median, then it's okay to use the value right here of 126,000. Okay, so it's kind of a starting wage. So I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring up my calculator. Okay, so I brought up my calculator. This is the gross pay. Now 80% we get to keep. 20% goes to the USA. So I have the formulas over here, dermatology. I'm going to put my gross right here. I'm going to make sure that this right here is the same. There we go. Let's try that again. So I'm going to highlight this, grab the painter, and it will match my font. All right, so the gross, and we get to take 80% of it. And we're just kind of using that as just a general percentage. So 20% goes to the government, 80% we get to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and take 80% of this number. Of means to multiply. So I'm going to go 0.8 times this number here. So I'm going to click the multiplication, and then I'm going to type in 0.8 and click equal. So 80% of 126 is $101,000. Okay, copy that, put it over here. There we go. So make sure to have all the commas and the bucks. All right, next one. We need to, so this is our net. This is the net. Everything inside the net comes home with us. All right. So now we're going to we want to find out how much our monthly salary will be. So we go ahead and take the net salary of, and divide it by 12. So right over here, we're going to click divide by 12. There's 12 months in a year. So this person is going to make $8,431 a month. Okay, so that's how we do that assignment. That's how you do the math. All right, now let's talk about the credentials. List the occupations in the cluster and the credentials necessary. To find that information, you come back to the Access website. Currently I'm in Dermatologist, so I'm going to click the back arrow a couple times. All right, so now I'm back to my cluster and back to how much do occupations in this cluster pay. So that spot right here. Now, the credentials are listed in black. So, we have short-term on-the-job training. We have long-term on-the-job training, post-secondary vocational, so that would be a certificate or a diploma, like a 2-year requirement, like an associate's degree, similar, associate's degree right here. This associate's degree would be like a KPC job or a KPC college for 2 years. Bachelor's degree would be a 4-year college, higher than a bachelor's degree. We have a master's degree, which is usually 2 years after a BA, which is bachelor's degree. We have professional degrees here. Okay, so you're going to look through here, find out which ones match what you want to do, and then you just list them. So this is the requirement, and these are the jobs. So if I go back to my list here, so on the job training, here are some on the job training that fall under this particular cluster of agriculture, food, and natural resources. Zoologist is a bachelor's degree, higher degree, natural sciences. Okay, so these are some of the jobs that are available if you get a bachelor's degree. That's where you go to find that information. So by the end of the second week, you should have 2 clusters completely done, just like this. You should have your cluster chart talked about in these call-outs here, and you should have the work value surveys done. Okay, so I hope you have a good week and are able to catch up as soon as you can. Thank you.